Can you guess which is the most important organ in your body? Yes, it's brain. Your brain is the most important organ in your body. It keeps your heart beating, lungs breathing, and all the systems in your body functioning. That's why it's important to keep your brain in optimum condition. But certain foods can have detrimental effects on the brain, potentially leading to issues like cognitive decline, memory loss, and even an increased risk of neurological diseases. Which is why today we are going to discuss 8 foods that are detrimental to brain health. And also, as usual, I have something more for my fellow health buddies. Can you guys guess it? Never mind. I'll tell it myself. I'll be also discussing healthy alternatives of all of these food items that you can eat instead. So let's get started. 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda, energy drinks, and certain fruit juices, are high in fructose. Excessive fructose consumption can lead to insulin resistance, inflammation, and impaired brain function. Instead, opt for water infused with natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint. Herbal teas and coconut water are also excellent choices that provide hydration without added sugars. 2. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, prominently found in white bread, pastries, and processed foods, have a high glycemic index. They cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, increasing the risk of cognitive impairments. For healthier carbs, choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. These foods have a lower glycemic index and provide steady energy, supporting better brain function. 3. Trans fats, commonly found in packaged baked goods and fried foods, can increase inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Long-term consumption is linked to a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. For healthier fats, try consuming more avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats support brain health by reducing inflammation and providing essential fatty acids. 4. Highly processed foods. Highly processed foods, such as chips, instant noodles, and fast food, often contain high levels of sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. These can disrupt brain function and increase the risk of mental health issues. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains support overall health and provide the nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. 5. Aspartame. Aspartame, an artificial sweetener found in diet sodas and sugar-free products, has been linked to behavioral and cognitive problems. Some studies suggest it may increase oxidative stress in the brain. Healthy alternatives include natural sweeteners like stevia, monk fruit, and erythritol, which provide sweetness without the potential negative effects on brain health. 6. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to brain shrinkage, disrupted neurotransmitter functions, and cognitive impairments. Chronic drinking increases the risk of developing dementia and other neurological conditions. Moderate your alcohol intake and opt for drinks like herbal teas, sparkling water, or kombucha. These options are refreshing and support hydration without negatively impacting brain health. 7. Foods high in sodium. Diets high in sodium, often from processed and canned foods, can lead to high blood pressure, reducing blood flow to the brain and impairing cognitive function. Choose fresh, whole foods and use herbs and spices for seasoning instead of salt. Foods like garlic, turmeric, and basil not only add flavor, but also offer health benefits. 8. Saturated fats. High intake of saturated fats, found in red meat, butter, and full-fat dairy products, is associated with increased inflammation and the risk of developing cognitive decline. Instead, opt for lean proteins such as fish, chicken, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. These options provide essential nutrients without the high levels of saturated fats. Your diet definitely has a big impact on your brain health. Inflammatory diet patterns that are high in sugar, refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and processed foods can contribute to impaired memory and learning, as well as increase your risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Several other substances in food are dangerous for your brain too. However, this doesn't mean you must avoid all these foods completely. Red meat, dairy products, etc. have their benefits too. But the point is to consume it in moderate amount. I've said this before, and I am saying it now too. Moderation is the key. But you should try to avoid these foods as much as you can. And that's just my opinion. As I said before, my mission here is simple: to educate you to make the best choices for your health. So, what are your views on my opinion? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.